Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly rig your 3D character using Maya's Quick Rig and Mixamo's Auto Rigging system. It's super easy and perfect if you want to test animations fast without spending hours on manual rigging. If you're new to Maya's Quick Rig tool, I've already made a step-by-step video explaining how it works in detail, so make sure to check that out. The link is in the description below. Alright, now let's move on to Mixamo. Before uploading your model, make sure your character is in a T-pose. That's the default pose Mixamo uses for accurate rigging. Once your model is in T-pose, go ahead and export it as an FBX file. Make sure to include only the mesh and any textures you need. You can do this by going to File, Export Selection, FBX. Next, head over to Mixamo.com and log in with your Adobe account. Click Upload Character, then drag and drop your FBX file. Mixamo will guide you through placing markers for chin, wrists, elbows, knees, and groin. Then it automatically generates the rig for you. Once your rig is done, you can instantly test it with hundreds of free animations. Just pick one from the Mixamo library and watch your character come to life. And that's it. You've successfully rigged your character using Maya Quick Rig and Mixamo Auto Rig. Super fast and beginner friendly.